Okay, dear students, today we will look into Cambridge IGCSE Chemistry Paper 6 Alternative to Practical October-November 2022 Paper 6-2. Question 1 here. Okay, so question 1 here actually related to chromatography. Okay, chromatography is basically a technique where we use chemistry to separate and analyze mixtures into their individual components. So you can see from question 1 here, a mixture of 3 colored compounds was separated using the apparatus shown in the diagram. So give the name of the item of apparatus label E. Okay, so this is called as beaker. Okay, question B. 1 drop of the mixture of colored compounds was placed on the paper and some solvent was poured into E. So we pour some solvent into the beaker. So draw on the diagram a spot. So this is a spot to show where the drop of the mixture of colored compounds should be placed on the paper at the start of the experiment. Second, we have to draw a line to show the level of the solvent in A at the start of the experiment. So basically, we have to place the dot here, the drop of the mixture in the middle of the paper on the baseline here. Okay, so second, a line to show the level of the solvent. So horizontal line here, we have to draw a line here where this line will be between the bottom of the paper and baseline. So line must not touch the spot drawn on the baseline here. So not touch the spot here. So we have to place the solvent below the baseline. So below the baseline. To ensure that the compound in the sample spots are exposed to the solvent gradually. If the solvent level here above the baseline or directly touching the sample spot, it could disturb the spot, which causing them to dissolve. Okay, so now question C here. Name an item of apparatus that should be used to place a drop of the mixture of colored compound on the paper. So we can use here dropping method. Okay, or dropper. State when the paper should be removed from the solvent E. Okay, we can remove the paper here from the solvent once when the solvent is near to the top of the paper. Here. Okay, name this method of separation of colored compound. Okay, this method we call as beaker chromatography. Okay, now we will see how this experiment.
참 바래도 내 시간은 never waits 똑같은 건 뻔해 또 다른 걸 난 원해 chase 어떻게 멋을 다 맞춰줘 존중해줘 I do me you do you 나는 나조차나 KK can't wait till I bite them 어차피 인생은 내꺼 Bam bam can't wait till I shoot them 뭘 그리 복잡해 몇 번 Shake it shake Shake it shake shake it shake bust it up Bust it up bust it up 우리 너무나 바빠 You like my birthday Maybe 쉽지 않아 anyway 생각대로 everyday 고민 대신에 나만 생각해 이제 괜찮아 어떨 밤이라도 날 생각해 Alright alright 하고 먹어버리자 get like cake It's a piece of cake Yeah piece of I'm it's up in the air 내일도 너 행복할지 Who can guarantee So ATM 지금이 훨씬 중요해 Yeah your way Just live it up Cause maybe 쉽지 않아 anyway 생각대로 everyday 고민 대신에 나만 생각해 이제 괜찮아 어떨 감이라고 난 생각해 Alright alright 꽉 하고 먹어버려다 Get like KKKKK It's a piece of KKKKK KKKKK Yeah piece of KKKKK 하고 먹어버려다 Get like KKKKK Sometimes 시원한 바람을 원해 힘이 더 나